Hello, fabulous friends. Princess Tessa here. So I went to Books A Million in Opelika, Alabama, and I got a Squirky's Fidget pet, which is it's called Little Life Pets, and it's called Toddles Turtle. So let's open him up. I'm so super excited. Oop, my tiara fell. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is a new fidget toy I'm so excited to get. Oh, fabulous friends. Look at this little cutie. So you can press on these little buttons here, and then you can move his little tail, and you can turn his little head. Oh, that is so cute.